What if your Brazilian waxing style could support your lifestyle, not just your appearance? Today, we're breaking down the most popular Brazilian waxing styles and helping you choose one that suits your body, your routine, and your confidence. Brazilian waxing isn't about trends or rules. It's about comfort, confidence, and feeling good in your own skin. Despite what social media suggests, there isn't one right look. Different styles suit different needs, personalities, and lifestyles. In this guide, you'll learn your options, clear up common myths, and make an informed choice, without pressure. Let's start with the first style, the full Brazilian. The full Brazilian removes all hair from front to back. This creates a completely smooth finish. Many people choose this style for its clean feel, long-lasting results, and minimal daily maintenance. It's especially popular with those who prefer simplicity and don't want to think about grooming between appointments. Next is the landing strip. The landing strip keeps a thin, neatly shaped strip at the front, while removing everything else. It's often seen as the perfect balance, polished, modern, and customizable. This style offers definition while still maintaining an overall smooth look. The triangle style leaves a small, natural-looking triangular shape while removing surrounding hair. It's a timeless option for those who prefer a modest appearance but still enjoy the benefits of waxing. This style focuses on natural symmetry and personal comfort. Now, let's match your wax to your lifestyle. If you regularly work out, swim, or travel, smoother styles like the full Brazilian or the landing strip can reduce friction and simplify hygiene. Here, comfort and practicality matter just as much as appearance. For your everyday work life, discretion and personal comfort are key. Styles like the triangle or the landing strip offer a polished feel without feeling overdone. Your grooming choice should support your routine, not distract from it. Ultimately, waxing is about how you feel. Choosing a style that reflects your self-expression can support confidence and comfort in intimate moments, without needing to meet anyone else's expectations. Before your appointment, gently exfoliate your skin around 24 hours in advance. Avoid heavy lotions and ensure hair is the recommended length. These small steps can make a noticeable difference in comfort and results. After waxing, use fragrance-free products, wear loose clothing, and avoid intense heat or workouts for at least 24 hours. Proper aftercare helps calm the skin and extend smoothness. Ingrown hairs can happen sometimes. However, regular exfoliation, hydration, and professional guidance can significantly reduce them. Consistency is key. Remember, there's no universal standard for beauty. Only what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Smooth, styled, or natural, your choice is valid. If you're unsure, a licensed professional can help guide you based on your skin type and lifestyle. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which style fits your life best? If this guide was helpful, give the video a like. Subscribe to MTH Health for more trusted wellness content. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could help someone else.